Okay. Dude, this is so fucking awesome. I'm getting the fucking fix on this. I'm really like this fucking mind is blown right now with being able to organize this desk.
You're gonna have the coolest desk in the world.
I don't know about the world, but definitely in town. Definitely in town. I don't think anybody else gives a shit about this stuff. I do. Especially when I'm remaking something, redoing something, I gotta go through everything. I can't just slap it all back together the way it is. I go and I clean all my shit, you know, I'm just like, yeah, you got problems. I got problems. So everything's kind of half-assed new again, and, you know, it's clean to the touch, you can feel that it's clean, and fuck yeah, dude.
I should do that too. Just take everything off the desk, clean everything off, put everything back.
Just give it a good once-over.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, my external drive's gonna be plugged in all the time now. Holy shit, fuck around. Damn. And I still have the two fucking USB ports open on top.
When in the
Dude, this is so great. Okay, what else do we got? What are we lacking? Dude, this other desk is fucking filthy. It's horrible. It is nasty. Wow. Okay, no worries. Get my cheating reader's glasses over here. My keyboard on. Some pencils in there. Look at that. Look at that. That's so nice. Okay. Man, you know, I could have put the printer all the way to the left side. That's okay though. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave that one side open so I can lay papers out. And yeah, I think that'll be all right. Internet box. I'll have a full view of that fucker all the time now. We're plugged in. Okay, so that stuff's plugged in. The cord from my keyboard is now here. Dude, I think I'm ready to fucking power up. Oh. Phone line. Phone line. I need to get the phone line across the room again. God, I really want this thing to be overhead. I'm so tired of stepping on it. Dude, I seriously thought about going home and sitting and running the cord up there and then going and dropping back down, but mice would eat that motherfucker in the attic. So I can't do that.
I can't wait to get that thing set up, man.
Dude, no shit. I'm plugging in the telephone cord, and then after that, I will be ready to rock and roll, dude.
Let me know when you get on.
Yep, I'm moments away. I'm minutes away now. No more hour. Okay. Let me get a little more length on this cord here. It's a little short. But I have like a whole roll of fucking telephone cord. It's fucking long, dude. It's all they had at the time, so I had to buy this ridiculously long cord to come across the room, and yeah, so now I have like an abundance of fucking telephone cord. It's kind of ridiculous, really. Okay, I think that would be enough, yes, to come across here. Yep, and go to my box. The only thing I'm going to have to do now is get some zip ties and then get under the desk, but I'll do that later when I go to the store. To Alamo, actually. I need to zip tie all the wires together that are down there that are just hanging through the desk, you know? Oh, I didn't plug something in. What's missing? Oh, yeah, the box for the internet is also not plugged in yet. Let's get that up here and plugged in, and then shove the excess back down the hole. Get that excess going the right direction. Ridiculous. Okay, cool. Now let's get this up through there. Down for this. I gotta plug it up. I gotta plug in the actual power thing. I'm gonna do it in the hot position. Okay. Okay. Just gonna come in here. Bring this bad boy up through here. Oh God, my knee. Oh, my knee is so bad. Fuck. Yeah, I went on the wrong side. Shit. Boy, my fucking knees. Okay. Just gonna stay in that box that we need to boot up. I'll let these stickers back in. This is the phone line. I believe this goes here. And then get the access shoved back down. Oh, dude. Look at that. Oh, dude. Holy fuck. Good stuff. Dude, you know what I really need to find? I need to find, filing cabinets, but it's like the short ones, but I have like 2 drawers in them. Dude, I could put one on each side under my desk, and this would be just absolutely perfect. Okay, dude, we're powering on.
Right. Get after it.
Lights are coming on. Things are starting to come to life.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, dude. What the fuck? Dude, this is insane. Epson, my printer's doing its thing, warming up. Oh, look at it. And I can see it. I can actually see the screen. Dude, it was covered in, dude, that baby put sticky shit everywhere. You couldn't see anything. I spent all my time getting things down. That's what took the longest. Honestly, prepping to move this shit didn't take as long as it did for me to wipe it all down. Oh, while my internet box is starting up, I'm going to wipe my TV down right quick. Because it was, well, I should have done that before I put the desk rack away, but it'll be okay. I'll reach my big ass across here. It's not too far. Okay. Dude, this, oh my God, this TV screen is horrible.
Where you at? Where you at? What are you doing?
I'm wiping the TV screen down because, dude, it was just...
Wipe it down. Good.
Oh, dude, it has fucking smear prints, fingerprints everywhere.
Yeah, I'm sure, dude. That thing's seen some action.
Yeah. Dude, this is, oh wow. This is taking some scrubbing, dude. It's not just coming off. I'm having to like rub in certain spots.
That shit dries on there and gets hard, man.
Oh wow. Oh Lord, that is,
It's
oh
been
wow.
working. It's been working.
I have
Been
the color.
putting in time, man.
The color that this wipey is turning into is pretty gross.
Tell me about it. How gross is it?
You know, like when you're wiping your ass, you know, and you're already like pretty clean, but you get that one wipe where it's just kind of like light film. You know, you got to wipe a couple more times.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, that's it. The off white with the brown tint. That's what the color this wipey is. Yeah.
Yeah, the kind of thing where if you didn't catch it now, you're sure gonna notice it later.
Yeah.
Right?
Or somebody's gonna notice it later.
Yeah. Well, it
definitely.
depends on who's doing your laundry, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I've been married a few times, man. I've seen some nasty drawers. and not just my own.
Oh, yeah. Dude, well, women have that fucking acid that their fucking vaginas make that will literally bleach spots in their panties. Have you seen that before?
I have.
Dude, yeah, their vaginas are like self-cleaning ovens. It's fucking weird. I mean, I'm glad, but yeah, it's fucking weird.